Good morning. Today I wanna share some of really easy technique, and it's pretty natural and absolutely for free. You can do it, like everyone can do it. I had tested with some participants and it works well. So we can call it movement relaxation. It doesn't matter, you can call it whatever you want to. So it was based on some kind of movement meditation. Have a lot of different kind of meditation: walking, sitting meditation, lay down meditation, running meditation, can be any. So same kind of relaxation, but relaxation not for your body, for your mind. But the more you relax your mind, the more your body will relax also. But I think more importantly to be relaxed mentally. Unfortunately, nowadays, like stress, we're living in really high stress, especially in big cities, really fast life and really a natural way of being. And we're not sure about the next day, have a lot of different fears and so on. Like you're on the age of a lot of people on the age of conflict, on the work and with people surround and so on. And of course it depends where you're staying, but still most of big cities, like a lot of people stay in a really high level of stress, and it's one of the causes of a depression. So it's much easier to get into the depression, what it's a way worse. So a lot of people, they feel depressed, and it's even worse for men than women. I don't know, women, they somehow survive in this environment, but for men it feels like even worse. But it doesn't matter you male or female. If you like really depressed, usually people just don't want to go anywhere and don't want to do anything. They just stuck in the problems, just think over and over again about something and so on. Just then life becomes, it really sucks. So the easiest way for get rid of it, just change your mind, change your thoughts, or try to stop thinking about it, at least for a little bit. So you had some kind of problem, yeah, it's better if you can sort it. And you stop thinking about for a short period of time, and after again and after again. So less you think it about, so it less bothering you. So it less chance get in deeper into kind of states. It's really good way to meditate if you're able to, but usually people like feel so bad they're unable to do anything. So also it's exercises is a quite good solution for it. And relaxation, what we will talk about, so try to relax as much as possible, just practice a relaxation and movement relaxation. It can be any kind of movement. You can stay in, move your arms, and the idea, it's same like in yoga. You need to focus on what you're doing. You need to focus on your movement. It depends what you're doing. It can be like any kind of movement you can do, and you focus on it. So basically, we swap our mind from something negative to something positive, or on anything else. We change a point of focus from focusing on something what really disturbing you, something really unpleasant. We change the focus on really simple things, on a movement. It can be absolutely any kind of movement. You can dance or you can walk, whatever, but you can start with really simple movements. It can be like even head movements. You just focus your mind on a movement. And in a moment when your thoughts is stopped, yeah, or you focus on something, you don't think about it anymore. When your mind relaxes, it became to relax to your body. So when your body is relaxed, you will start to enjoy this peaceful moment. So it can be any kind of movements at all. If you're standing, you can move your arms. You're just thinking only about movement of your arms. You focus it only about movements of your arms. It can be any kind of movements. Really easy when you see it. You can move from one side to another side. Yeah, it looks like a bit insane, but At least it works. And you can do it as longer you want. 5 minutes, okay. 10 minutes, 15 minutes, up to you. At least you feel good from it. So you just move, and in this state you just don't think about anything. You just moving. It kind of like some movement in dancing, so it kind of like you dancing and enjoy yourself. So you can move left and right or forward, backwards. As I said before, you can do any kind of movements you want. You can put some relaxation music you want to or not. You can do it in any place and any style you want. You can synchronize it with the breathing, what works even better. For, let's say, you go left, you do inhale, you go right, you do exhale, you move forward, you do inhale, you go backward, you do exhale. That's it. So you just move, enjoy yourself. So enjoy your mind, you relax your mind, and when your mind relaxes, your body will relax automatically. And when you totally relax, all of the thoughts will float in a way, and when the thoughts will leave your head, so all of the troubles, worries, any kind of problems will just disappear. And it's super easy way what you can do for relax and enjoy the peaceful state of your mind. And each time you do it, it's getting easier and easier. So just enjoy yourself, enjoy your movement, and relax as more as you can.